Yo, what happens when a sneaky bird tries to steal food from an eagle? Well, things get wild real quick. So there's this eagle chillin' in its zoo enclosure, just minding its own business and enjoying a nice meal. Suddenly, a hungry stork shows up like, yo, I want some of that. This stork ain't got any manners though. It starts poking its beak through the cage trying to snatch bites of the eagle's food. At first the eagle's like, huh? What's going on? But then, oh, he figures it out. Now the eagle's like, hey, you wanna play games? So he sets a trap, leaves a bit of food close to the bars like bait. The stork, being greedy, goes for it, and boom, the eagle grabs him. The stork's flapping like crazy, panicking, trying to escape. Somehow it manages to wriggle free and flies off, probably rethinking all its life choices. Do you think the eagle did the right thing? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, give this video a like for that eagle's savage, smart move.